Hi guys, here's how you can create subscription offer codes for your friends and families for your iOS app. Now these are some of our apps, so let's try to create an offer for this app. Scroll down and go to subscription. Now click on your subscription group, so this one is ours. And now choose the offer codes for your subscription type. So let's do it for yearly. Now here, scroll down and on subscription prices, click this plus icon. And here are the options you can create. Create an introductory offer, win-back offer, promotional or offer codes. So let's create an offer codes. Give any name. I will say 12 months free for now. And eligible is for everyone. And auto-renew subscriptions, you can have it auto-renew or click this don't auto-renew subscription at the end of the year. So after this is done, click next. Choose all the eligible countries. Next. You can choose your time. I will choose it for a year. Free for first year. And next. And it's all free. And it's all done. And confirm. And here's 12 months free offer. You can also choose to deactivate it. And let's create the one-time codes. So create one-time code, number of codes. So here are lots of number of codes you can create. Let's create 500 for now and select the expiration date. I'll just make it expire in 2 days, but you can choose as much as you want. So once this is done, create. Now here are your codes. So you can download it. I'll not show that. And you can share it with your friends and families. If you want to deactivate, you can simply click here to deactivate as well. Thank you very much.